right, we're deep frying a ham, and we're gonna be topping it with a sweet pineapple glaze. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna brine a ham. A fresh ham.
What, is that a northern term?
No, honey, that's southern.
It is. My people don't do that.
They don't?
No.
Where do your people live?
Middle Tennessee. And we don't, I've never heard that before in my life. And what does that mean?
It means let it soak in a liquid.
Oh, soaking.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay.
All right, we're gonna use 1 gallon of apple cider, couple of measuring cups of water, because when we put our little ham down in there, we want it to completely cover. And while you're doing that, I'm gonna come over here and start throwing in our dry things into our brine. Okay. You can go back to Tennessee and just impress the heck out of them.
I know.
All right, turn on that water, honey.
Okay.
And while you're doing that, I am gonna add a cup of brown sugar. You know what, Leanne, when I'm with you, I start talking real southern. Why is that?
Like you don't already. I know that's so.
Yeah, but it gets more southern.
What did you tell me to do with this?
I told you to put it in the
pot. Okay, my darling, I'm sorry.
Don't let them think you're a natural blonde now. So, a cup of brown sugar.
Okay.
And I'm gonna put a cup of kosher salt, Leanne. This is gonna be a sweet, salty, delicious ham. And I'm gonna add a couple of cinnamon sticks. And I'm gonna add, you know, just a pinch of cloves, you know, 3 or 4.
Oh.
5 or 6, 7. All right. Now, if you would, take that spoon and stir it. And while you're doing that, I want to tell everybody about you. This is Leanne Morgan. She is one of the funniest housewife comedians in the United States. In fact, she won that title on The View. We get together and we just have the best time. She's the mother of 3 precious children, and they're watching their mama brine ham.
They didn't know their mama was still about brining. We call it soaking.
But doesn't that smell good?
That does smell good.
All right, now we're gonna get our big old piece of meat, y'all, and we're using a fresh ham. Look at here. Look at this pig.
Oh my gosh.
Ain't that pretty?
That is.
All right, and
pretty.
It's big and it's heavy. It's about a 10-pound leg. And we're just gonna ease our meat down into here. We don't want it to slosh all over our Christmas outfits because I don't have another Christmas top in my closet. So I don't wanna mess up our clothes. We're gonna store this in a cool place for 24 hours.
Oh, okay.
Now I'm gonna come over here and make the glaze for the ham. And I am gonna dip back into my brown sugar bowl one more time. And I'm gonna scoop me out another cup of brown sugar. Now, I know you still got your mother.
And my mother-in-law.
That's wonderful.
I know.
So you really hadn't had to take over the full responsibilities of the kitchen.
I haven't. I do a lot of side dishes, and they usually bring the ham or turkey.
For this glaze, Leanne, it's so simple. You see, I sprayed my cup because I'm gonna put in honey and I don't want it to stick to my cup. So a half a cup of honey, a half a cup of Dijon mustard, and I'm just gonna use the same cup because I need a half a cup of each. So there we go. And look at that. See that honey, how it just rolls right on out of there?
Yeah.
Because I sprayed that cup. All it takes is one little tap like that.
That's good.
My 1 8-ounce can, y'all, of crushed pineapple.
Okay.
Liquid and all, just dump in there. And 3 cups of pineapple juice. Now I'm gonna just put this on low and let that glaze, you know, get thicker for us and let it kind of cook down a little bit. We've got our ham now out of our brine. We just want to dry it off good. When we put it down into our fryer, you know, we don't want a lot of liquid on it. We don't want it splattering all over our Christmas outfit.
Oh, no.
I have got the neatest indoor fryer that a friend of mine, John McLemore, designed this deep fryer. And he gave this to me for Christmas.
Oh.
We have got our grease in here, y'all, preheated to 375 degrees. Just sit that ham down in that basket.
Wow. Okay.
All right, so
you want
here
me
we
to
go.
do it, or you
oh,
all
no,
right?
I got it, honey. deep fried ham. Now we're gonna cook our ham, y'all. It's 7.5 minutes per pound for a 10-pound ham. Does this scare you?
No, it does not scare me. I've just never had anything boiling that big in the kitchen. But I mean, that's nifty to ham.
We're gonna be fine. It's Christmas time, y'all, in Paula Deen's kitchen. And I'm here with Leanne Morgan. All right, so let's come down here and let's check on our ham. Ooh. Look how dark those edges are. That skin is gonna be incredible. Look at that ham. Is that not like the prettiest thing you've ever seen?
Why is that so dark?
That is from our brown sugar and that brine.
Oh,
Our ham is done. Now we're just gonna unveil our little pig. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, my Tennessee friend. If you think this ham looks good now, y'all, just wait until I get done with it. How beautiful is that? So what do you think, Leanne?
it's wonderful.
That pork is out of this world. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.